welcome back to Cotton Creations. So this is actually part 2 of the DIY drawstring ponytail video. If you haven't seen part 1, be sure to click the link right up above so you can see how to actually create and make your own drawstring ponytail. And in this video, I'm going to actually be showing you how to install the ponytail so you can see exactly how it looks once it's on. And if you're interested, stay tuned. So here it is, the curly drawstring ponytail deep wave, and it comes with 2 combs and a drawstring. It's so funny doing a drawstring review on a drawstring ponytail that I created. So I've already prepped my hair. I already have it in a bun, and I've already laid my baby hairs, and I have a wrap strip over those. So now I'm going to go ahead and attach the drawstring ponytail using the combs, and then I'll tighten it with the drawstring. So I'm not going to go into great detail about how to install a drawstring ponytail just because I have other videos that do a great job explaining step by step of how to do it. So I'll go ahead and link those for you so that if you need the specific steps, you'll have the option to look at that. So now that the ponytail is attached, this is what it should look like. And because this is human hair, you can put heat on it. So I'm going to take my wand curler and just curl a piece of the hair so you can see how that looks. And here's a quick 360 for you, so take a look. So what do you think? This ponytail is amazing. I love it. I have a feeling that I probably won't be buying a lot more drawstring ponytails from the store that are synthetic. I'll probably just make them myself because I love having the option to manipulate the hair. If I want to straighten this hair, I can. If I want to curl it, I can. There's just so many things that I can do to this hair because it's human hair, of course, and it's gonna last a whole lot longer, and I'll be able to run my fingers through the hair and it not be tangly, you know? I'll be able to get my hands through it. I can't do that with my synthetic ones. It's like not an option. So let me know what you think. Drop me a comment down below. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to hit that bell so you don't miss out on any more greatness that I have happening over here at Cotton Creations, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.